If you have been marketing on Facebook, you may or may not heard the term of Messenger bot or Facebook Messenger marketing. If you have not heard this one yet, that's okay. In this video today, I'm actually going to share with you exactly what is Messenger bot and what is Facebook Messenger marketing that everybody's talking about. Hey, my name is Candace from createfreedomwithcandace.com. I simplify marketing strategies so that you can gain the confidence to start taking the right action and start building a profitable business through online marketing. In today's video, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually utilize this Messenger bot for your business and actually have some of the business to run in an automation manner using this Messenger bot. Let's get right into it. Now, before I start to give you the tutorial on how to use this Messenger bot, let's talk a little bit about what is the Messenger bot. Messenger bot is actually a tool that it's outside of Facebook but integrate into Facebook Messenger so that you could actually send out message to your fan in the automation manner, and also could help you start generating leads. So it's actually a tool that could help you to actually start doing some automation. So now, why do people use Messenger bot? What is the reason of people using Messenger bot? There are a couple of reasons why people use Messenger bot. Number one, in marketing, you want to meet your prospect or your customer where they hang out, right? Most of the people are hanging out on Facebook and they're using Facebook Messenger anyway, right? For most of the people like me, I actually respond to Facebook Messenger faster than I respond to text or phone call nowadays. So the best way for you to actually connect with your audience and your potential prospect and clients is to meet them where they are instead of having to go searching around looking for you. So naturally, everybody's on Facebook and Facebook messengers have become so popular. So with this Messenger bot would just fit right into today's society. Another reason why you want to use Messenger bot is that you could actually type up one simple message and send out to 500 or even 5,000 people in one simple click, and you would actually get those response back right away. So with that being said, I am going to share with you how you could actually use Messenger bot. I'm going to jump right into it and share my screen with you on connecting your Facebook and Messenger bot and what you can do inside of Messenger bot. There are a few different Messenger bot out there in the marketplace today, but the one that I'm going to share with you, it's called a ManyChat, and I'm actually including the link in the description there. Okay. Messenger bot could only be used inside a business page or a fan page or any organization's page. It is not for your personal profiles. And I just created a brand new page here. It's a public figure page that I could show you how I could actually connect a Messenger bot to a brand new page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to ManyChat and it will ask me to sign in. If this is the first time that you come in, it will ask you to sign in, and all you need to do when you sign in, you click on sign in right here on the top, and it will ask you, you want to sign in with Facebook. So make sure when you sign into your Messenger bot, you are logged into your Facebook. And then I click agree with the term of service, and then I sign in with Facebook. It will ask you if you want to continue as Candace, and it will ask you which page do you want to connect your Messenger bot to. You just want to check the one that you wanted to do. So I'm going to check this one right here, and then I will continue. It will also ask you, do you want to receive email and manage your page and everything? And I just say yes. So here we are inside of my ManyChat account. This is the dashboard. You could actually see a lot of different things here. This is, so the dashboard, if you have an audience and you want to look for an audience, you could click on audience right here. If you have any message that's in live chat, you could click here to see the live chat. There's a few other things that we're going to talk about in a little bit. So first thing first, I want to show you how you could actually add your business page to it. Remember, we just create a brand new account. So I'm going to click on where my name right here. Now, before I get there, I want to let you know that ManyChat has two versions of ManyChat. There's a free version. You could do quite a bit with just the free version. So if you want to start, if you want to start, you could actually start with the free version, and then as you go on, you could go to the pro version, which is only $10 a month. Okay, so I have the pro version. And then All I need to do is add new page, all right? Once I click on add new page, it will ask me which page do I want to add. And I want to add the Candace Spring, and I just connect. It will ask you a few things about your page. So now, I just answer the question and just continue. And here we are. I'm on my Messenger bot. It will actually give me, if you give people this direct link, they could actually start sending you a message here. What it means now is that people could actually send you a message and it'll go to your fan page, this page that I just started it, okay? One thing that you wanted to do in Facebook is that you definitely want to make sure this button right here, you want to go to add the button and you want to check message contact you, right? If because we want to send a message, right? You want to set that up so that when they send a message, it will just go through there, okay? So now you see this button is already set up with the send message. So now let's get back to the Messenger bot. What can you do with the Messenger bot? If when people come into your page and you want to send them a welcome message, you could actually go to automation. There's few things that I want to show you guys. Automation, you could send a welcome message. If you click on welcome message here, so now you're in the welcome message. All you need to do is just type up something, right? I just type up this quick message here. You could put this, click on this thing right here, it will give you the name, whatever. If you click on the face right here, it's basically just emoji. What I have here is that, welcome, to thank you, I have a free training for you. If you have a free training, right, you have a lead magnet, you could click on the button and then say free training. And then I could open up a website and I could just put a website, whatever, the free training. So I'm just making up a website right now, okay? So when I do that, what that means is that when I send this out to people, when they see this message, they could click this button and go to that link, okay? It could be as easy as this. If you want to add a picture, right? Here's the image. If you want to add a picture, you could click on image, and then you just click on image and you just find an image, right? Whatever image, I just pick up one out on my desk, right? And if you want to have more than one image, if you want to have a short video, you could click on a short video. If you have a little audios, you could put a little audios, okay? There are a few different things that you could use. If you asking people a question, let's say we ask a question, would you like me to notify you through email when I have promotion? And if they say yes, then they put, please type your email address. When I click on that, if I do user input, they could actually put in their their email address, okay? Right now, I'm gonna just show you this simple thing. So once you finish this, right? Once you finish this, you could actually click on preview. What that means is that you could actually, the preview means it will actually send it to your personal profile messenger so that you could preview it. So let's test it out. So I'm gonna click on preview. Because this is new, so the first time, if you connect this is the first time, it will ask you to actually opt into the page. Let's take a look to see if I get a message. Oh, look, I got a message. See? Welcome, Candace, to my page. This is the exactly one that we just sent. And free training, when I click on free training, it will take me to the whatever website it takes me. So that's how you send out the welcome message. It is very important that, this is like the basic. It's very important. If you have a page, it is so important for you to actually send out this page, send out a welcome message to people. So if you're ready, you could just go ahead and click on publish. And then now people could, when people come into my page, when they come into my page and they want to send me a message, that will be the message that this will be the message they will get, okay? So that it's a welcome message. Let's say if you have a promotion or if you have some material that you send out, like today I actually have a video that I want to send out. So I created what we call a broadcast. So I send out a message, I type up a message and send it out in one single click to all of my audience. And here's the message, right? And it shows the report, how was it? How many people click on it? And this was the message. It was basically simply asking, hey, Will you be watching? Ask her. If they click yes, they can click no, what's gonna happen? So if they click yes, right? If they click yes, they will get a message, and I will talk a little bit about it, and then I say, okay, there's a video here for you, and when they click on the video link, it will actually take them to the video that I want them to see. If they click no, there's a little message for them, and then ask them to watch a video, and then that will actually take them to the video. So that's a broadcast. It's like sending out an email to your audience. So that's a broadcast, and I really like the broadcast because it actually helped me reaching out to my fan, and which most of them are on Facebook. So that's the utilize the broadcast. Another tools that I want to share with you right here, the growth tool, is actually one of the very nice one. I have created a lot of courses using the growth tool. One of my 5-day Facebook workshop, 5-day Facebook prospecting workshop, it is on this growth tool. So if you haven't got my 5-day workshop yet, you the link is inside the comment, and you should definitely try that out so that you can see how the sequence works, okay? And if you want to do a growth tool, I'm gonna show you quickly how you can do a growth tool. Let's say if you wanna promote a training, a webinar, whatever that is, there's few different things. The bar, the sign-in, all of these, you could actually insert this, right? You could embed your messenger bot into your website by using these type of stuff. Those are a little bit more advanced training that I will not be doing today, okay? But let's say if you want to just create an URL to people, this is where you could create a URL. So let's say if I was gonna I have a training. Here's thank you for subscribing with me, whatever. And then I could edit the video, or if I have a message that I want to replace, I could replace here. And if I like this, I could just click on next, and then it will actually give me a unique URL with my messenger bot to it. But if I don't like the number right here, I could actually change it. Let's say if this is my Facebook webinar, so I could just do Facebook webinar. And when I do that, I click on save. Instead of having those number in the end, now it become Facebook webinar. So let's say if I was promoting a webinar and I want to send the link for people to register with this material, I could just send them, copy this link and send it to them, and then they will start getting into my messenger bot, okay? So the next one, it's called a flow. A flow, you could actually create something very simple. So let's say if I'm gonna create a flow, let's make up something. Let's make up a Sunday training. So basically the flow, what you're gonna see the flow, you could actually look at it like this way, or you could go to a flow chart right here. If you click on go to flow builder, it will see a different way. So you could actually see how the flow is building, all right? Because this is still new, has nothing. Let's say we're gonna go back here. I'm gonna type message 1. With message 1, if the answer is yes, we'll go to message 2, whatever message that you want to put in, right? And if this is say sign up, let's say if they want to sign up into your business, you could put a link here. So I'm just going to put any link in here for now so you can see it, right? They say no, thank you, they don't want to sign up. Then you could send them a message to say not a problem, I still would like to inform you on our product in the future. All right. And I would say, is that okay? And they could put a yes. And then we say, thank you. If they say yes, then we say, thank you. All right. And that's it, end of the conversation. Or if they say no, I don't want it anymore, then you could say, you could do our chat, right? And then you just, that you don't have to do anything, okay? So if you go to the flow chart, now we go into the flow chart, you kind of see it, right? I want you to see how this flow chart, you could kind of see, you see how the wire is moving around and everything, right? This is the last one. You see a messenger one, message, right? This is message one. Message one connect to message two's right here. Then message two connect to message three, message four. So that's what it means by flow, okay? You could create this flow by asking questions. I want to bring you to the setting part. In the setting part, there's a few different things that you probably want to take a look. You don't normally need to come here. From time to time, if you set up your messenger bot and things are not working sometime because ManyChat's doing maintenance or sometime, all you need to do is come back to the setting and you could click on refresh permission, then it will refresh everything, okay? There are a few different things that you could use here. Live chat, you could talk to people here, growth tool. All of these things, you could actually, notification, you could actually customize the field if you want to. I don't never do that. You could actually add new user. If you have more than one person on your team, you could actually add them to it, okay? You could actually integrate your messenger bot with different platforms, different apps, okay? Like Google Sheets, MailChimp, this is all of your autoresponder that you're using, okay? If you have a template, all right, if you got templates, you could actually install templates here. So let's say if you got a template on how to write a sales funnel, whatever, and you could actually add a template here, okay? So those are the things that you could do with Messenger. This is it. I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how you can actually use Messenger bot, the ManyChat for your business. Now, this is not a detailed training. If you want to get more detailed training on how to use Messenger bot or the ManyChat itself, the best way to do it is actually go to ManyChat.com, and they actually offer some small tutorial. If you want to learn more on building certain things in ManyChat, be sure to reach out to me. We could actually work out on something that I could help you with, okay? So if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. With that being said, guys, this is Candace from createfreedomwithcandace.com. I'll see you next time.